We are discussing mastering points over the scalp and face. This is 10-10 unit. So first we are discussing 10-10.01, which is on the top of head. If we measure from here, this is 10 finger, 4 and 2 finger. और अगर हम दोनों कानों के superior entry angle से जाएंगे, then this is the meeting point of 10-10.01. It is good for giving the strength in 4 limbs like both hands and both leg. It is good for paralysis, hemiparesis, hemiplegia, as well as dizziness. अगर हम इसके दोनों तरफ जाएंगे करीब 1.3 चुन, तो 1.3 चुन on the both side. This is 10-10.02. So this 10-10.02 is very good for lungs, sciatica and asthma. So sometimes what happens, because of the hypofunctioning of the lungs, person suffer with the pain of sciatica. That time these 2 points units works very nicely. 10-10.02 से हम अगर पीछे जाएं, only one chun from the back side of the 10-10.02 and 1.5 chun anterior side. So this is 10-10.02, on the back side 10-10.03, then coming back to the 10-10.02, coming in the anterior side 10.04. So 2, 3 and 4, these 3 points unit is working very nicely for the sciatica. Just if a person is suffering left-sided sciatica pain, you put these 3 points in the right side. As soon as you put the needle, sciatica pain will disappear, and the vice versa. So wherever pain is there, you can put this needle in opposite side. Even if patient is suffering with the problem of asthma, so you can use these 3 points units on the opposite side. Okay, so coming back to the 10-10.01. Now from the 10-10.01, from this anterior and posterior, these 2 points unit, so these 3 points together, so means I am going 1.5 chun anterior and 1.5 chun posterior. So these 3 points units working for the dizziness, vertigo, and again giving strength to the 4 limbs, both hands, both legs. We are using this point for paralysis, as well as this we are using for neurasthenia. अगर किसी को नींद नहीं आ रही है, we want to calm down the brain, so we put these 3 points. So this bring some tranquilizer effect in the brain and sleep pattern उनका अच्छा हो जाता है. So we can see 9 points here on the scalp. So this is very wonderful points. Now I am coming to 10.10.07. So we have finished this my point. I am coming here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points finished. Now look at here. This is if we see, this is the third eye. If we see just half chun above the third eye, this is 10-10.08. So this is the point of pituitary glands, and we are using this point for the calming down the shin. So agar if we put this point, so this calm down the shoulder, shin, hyperactivity, and increase the function of pituitary gland. Now we are coming here. If we look at here, this is the eye, and if we go just outer canthus of the eyes, if we drop down here from the outer canthus of the eye, if we just touch this point, okay, so this point is 10-10.13 and half chun below 10-10.14. These 2 points unit. So now first point, which is in the line of outer canthus of the eyes, just below the zygomatic bone, lower border of the zygomatic bone. This is very good for kidney stone, knee pain, as well as if pain in the ureter, means the stone came in the ureter. If we go half chun below, this is very good for the stone in the urinary bladder. And these 2 points unit working for knee pain, as well as lower back pain and kidney stone and urethra and stone in the urinary bladder. So in the same side, wherever if patient is suffering with the pain in the right kidney, so you can use opposite side. So now this is if we choose, this is point 13, 10-10.13. If we go 1 chun up and half chun lateral side, so this is 10-10.21. This is a very good point for the gallstone. So the gallstone and night crying in the children and hysteria. So this point is working very nicely. So we can choose this point for gallstone. Now coming on the both side of the ala nagi. So this is ala nagi. and if we just few fan, like 2 to 3 fan on the lateral side of the LNHI, if we point one needle here and along the nasal bone till here, our needle is going from here to here. This is very good point for abdominal distension, any gastric issue. So we are using regularly this pain. So these are 3 points: 15, 16 and 17. So now this is next point. This is 16. This is useful for the stone in the urethra or urethral burning. If someone is suffering with any urethritis, pain in the urethra. Again, we are coming, this is 15, 16, 17. This is 10, 10.17. Again, this is the same indication like this. This is for the pain in the urethra, urethritis. Okay. So now we are coming 0.4 fan blow from the outer lip. This is 10, 10.19. And 0.4 fan in the medial side. These 2 points, 10, 10.19, 10.20, these 2 points units are very good for lung and kidney. So because of lung, kidney, your lung is responsible for breathe out and kidney is responsible for breathe in. So when we are putting these 2 point unit, it is improving the functioning of the lungs, so good for asthma and sciatica pain as well as shoulder pain and lungs condition like asthma and all. So in this way, now we are proceeding here. This is the 3 points above the eyebrows. Stop it here.